Okay, so she said, I haven't reacted in almost a year, changed my thoughts. When will it catch up? I've lost my place to live, waiting for it to catch up. So a few things is that you are way too focused on how long it's been. You are living every single day, going into your mind and saying, oh, it's been a year. What is going on? It's been this long. When you are in the state of not having what you want right now and too focused on the time, then your subconscious mind will believe that you do not have what you want right now. That is two different states. You cannot wake up in the morning and say, oh, I'm so happy to be in my loving relationship, and then you're like looking out into the 3D. Where is he? He hasn't talked to me. What is going on? Where is my desire? The other thing is you are not waiting for anything because creation is finished. We are all one consciousness. Everybody is you pushed out. So you cannot affirm that you have what you want right now and then sitting there waiting for your desire. You are not waiting for anything. If you are waiting for your desire, you are just going to continue to wait for your desire because your subconscious mind, again, does not believe that you have what you want right now. Your only job is to wake up every single day and embody that state, that version of you who has what they desire right now. You think thoughts all day long as if you have what you want right now, and then you go and enjoy your life. You do not want to be in the state of waiting for your desire, or you will not get what you want. I hope this helped to answer your question. Follow me for more tips.